President Emerson Mnangagwa's two helicopters bound for Chimanimani in Manicaland province were Wednesday morning made a sudden U-turn in Muter. According to reports, the choppers later landed at Marandera Golf Course, raising serious concerns one of them had developed technical fault mid-air. Mnangagwa was flying to Chimanimani to reopen a road washed away by Cyclone Idai in 2019. Government sources claimed the landing was triggered by bad weather in Manicaland, which forced the helicopters to fly back to Marandera. However, witnesses say one of the helicopters landed awkwardly at around 8 a.m. in Marandera, suggesting it could have developed a technical fault. State security details in Marandera rushed to the scene soon after the helicopters landed, with Mnangagwa's motorcade arriving 45 minutes later to whisk him away. He was forced to abandon the air travel proceeded to Chimanimani by road, arriving late for the event. Information Minister Monica Mnangagwa dismissed speculation that the choppers had developed technical faults, saying they were forced to land in Marandera due to bad weather. "No, nothing like that happened. You can check with the presidential spokesperson George Charamba." Last month, he was forced to travel to Rutenga in Masvingo province by road after security concerns were raised over faulty and aged presidential helicopters. In August, Mnangagwa's chopper reportedly crash-landed about 65 kilometers from Harare when he was coming back to the capital from his pre-K farm in Quirky. This was after the helicopter developed a technical fault, according to sources. The crash landing happened in the Sandringham area, Matsvare village, in Chigudu. In the same month, bad weather again derailed Mnangagwa's trip to Muter, where he was expected to commission a medical oxygen and industrial gas plant at Faruka. Addressing villagers in Chimanimani Wednesday, Mnangagwa said the country would in March next year gazette that all missing Cyclone Idai victims be declared dead so that relatives can access death certificates and start processing the estates of the deceased.